Stop doing what everyone else does, coasting through life. Do this instead. Commit to getting just 1% better every day. Let's break out of average together. Welcome to BetterEveryday TV, where breakthrough is the new normal. If you're tired of making excuses and you're hungry for real growth, you're in the right place. Every day, we drop bite-sized motivation, faith-fueled wisdom, and practical strategies to help you think sharper, build stronger habits, and live life on your own terms. Progress isn't about perfection. It's about choosing to be a little bit better than you were yesterday. So, if you believe in leveling up, even if it's just 1% at a time, hit subscribe, and let's start your transformation together. Welcome to the tribe. This is BetterEveryday TV, where your next breakthrough begins.